Hi friends, welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese everyday food. Today, I want to share with you how to make kakuni. Kakuni is one of the most popular Chinese-influenced dishes that Japanized for over the years. We add ginger and long green onion as aromatics instead of spices like Chinese star anise or cinnamon. The pork cooked slowly in sweet soy sauce for long hours that makes pork so tender. The recipe is easy. All you have to do is to be patient while cooking. The next day, I always make Kakuni Udon noodles to use up all the savory sauce. Look at that glossy noodles. Let's get started. Let's start with slicing ginger. Peel ginger and slice thinly. Keep the skin for the later use. Pat dry pork shoulder. Cut into 5 to 6 cm cubes. You can also use pork belly. I prefer the shoulder for it contains less fat. Heat your frying pan on high. Sear the pork on each side. This will prevent your pork releasing the umami. Add water enough to cover the pork and it boils right away. Add ginger skin and green part of long green onion. Keep boiling for a couple of minutes to remove scum and unwanted smells. This step is called Shitayude, literally means pre-boiled. We do this often in Japanese cooking to make the clear taste. Transfer the pork into a heavy bottom pot. Add sliced ginger, sugar, sake, the half amount of soy sauce and mirin. Do you remember the reason why I add the seasonings in 2 times? Add water to cover. Put the lid on and cook on medium for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the rest of the seasonings. The reasons why we add the seasonings in 2 times is to prevent shrinking the meat. Moreover, if you add the seasonings all at once, the outside is seasoned well, but the pork doesn't absorb the savory sauce. Cook another 60 minutes. If toothpick inserts easily, it's done. You can eat right away. However, one more step will make your braised pork next level. Leave it until it comes to room temperature, then chill in the fridge to solidify the fat. I wouldn't say I like fat. Remove as much fat as you can, but leave a little bit for the flavor. Add boiled egg and cook about 10 minutes, flipping over halfway through. And this is it. Transfer to a serving bowl. Cut the egg in half and put it on the side. And put blanched spinach next to egg. There you have kakuni, the Japanese braised pork. Kakuni goes very well with hot steamed rice. It is so tender and flavorful. The pork absorbs sweet soy sauce all the way through. So good. The next day, to finish this delicious dish, I always add udon noodles to the rest of the sauce. Cook until well mixed and absorb all the sauce, like this. Kakuni will end up in chunks, but it is so good. I maybe like these udon noodles more than kakuni itself. Transfer to a dish and sprinkle chopped scallions. Drizzle sesame oil if you want. You can use another noodles or even rice is good too. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Follow me on social media to check my daily update, and I love to connect with you and I like to see your cooking post. Go to my website for the written recipe and more information. Before you go to your grocery store, you can check my recommendation at my store on Amazon. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!